All right, I put this light into my late father's storage shed, and it's awesome. It puts out a ton of light, and it looks nice. Hold on, here's what it looks like off. We forgive that wiring job, but here's what the other one looks like. It looks like crap. It looks like a commercial building or something. So, probably order a couple more of these. Way more low profile too. So it gives out the same or more light as these, but you know, they don't stick down as much, which is huge. Like this sticks down like 6-7 inches. That one maybe 3. So we are a fan.